Hello there, it's me again, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another MDF kit. This is the 28mm Wild West Sheriff's Office, and this is from Kristoff Designs, a one-man band who's putting out some great product, I think, and, well, good enough for me to order a whole bunch of stuff. So it's all the instructions are all here. Looks simple enough, 45 pieces in total. And it does have a whole itemization, which is great. It certainly goes above and beyond, unlike many other companies. And yeah, the fact that everything's all on one page saves you having to ream through a whole host of pages, because I know with the TT Combat ones, some of them are like 50 pages for a relatively simple build. It's like, I don't understand the rhyme or logic or reason for it. But it looks like we're going to get plenty of push-outs in here. There's no big MDF sprue frames either. I'm not sure what he does with them. He maybe recycles them. I don't know. But yeah, it's all pre-colored. Looks nice. And yeah, looks like there's going to be a whole host of push-outs. I think I'm going to avoid making the interior, and I'll maybe make that as a separate build and project, so it can be larger. But anyway, I'm going to get to assembling this. Bye for now. See you again soon. Hello there, and we're back. And so, how did we get on? Well, the instructions were difficult, to say the least. Yeah, bits like this, it's hard to tell where the pieces are exactly going and how they're fitting in, because this little bit here, this is like this little C part here, number 43, that goes in front of the handle, and then this part here, number 42, this square bit, actually goes on the other side of it, but you wouldn't know from this picture. And yeah, that's just kind of a brief summary as to how the instructions kind of threw us in different directions and whatnot. I had to actually look at pictures on the website just to see what went where. So yeah, it was a bit of a takeaway from that. Here's a build, and I think, you know, the instructions are kind of good enough. You get the general idea of where everything's meant to go. I didn't have any major issues, but yeah, I think here's the build anyway, and yeah, I love this. I absolutely love it. I think he's done, for a one-man band, I think he's done an incredible job. Now, I've added some wooden stirrers here just to cover up some of the seams. I've added in our mulch just to add a little bit of texture, as well as hide certain seams as well. And yeah, it's even got a full-blown interior. And the whole thing with this these little locking mechanisms is that they do actually work. You can see that door's actually closed there, and the other ones can swing open freely. These parts can actually pop out, so you can actually have a little jailbreak, which is it's a nice little touch, but yeah, trying to get them back in and stuff. I think ideally what you'd need to do is kind of, you know, if you were going to do this on the permanent, you would need to, I don't know, maybe file it down, add some magnets or some crap like that. Personally, I'm not bothered, you know, I'm not that into it, to be fair, but it's, yeah, it's a nice touch, it's a nice little feature. And yeah, everything went together, no problem. There was only one issue, and that's this back wall here. It was actually painted on the other side. So, yeah, again, with a one-man band, you expect these kinds of little foible issues, but overall, this build's amazing, and he's done incredible work designing it all. We've, yeah, I just sort of color matched and painted it up so it would look like how it is here. So what I did was I hit it up with a tan color and then hit it over with white with a heavy stipple. But yeah, the interior looks great, and it's not often you get an actual full-blown interior on a build. And you know me, I'm often hesitant to ever bother with the interior, but this one looks incredible. Really good work from Kristoff Designs. You've outdone yourself. Love it. And yeah, there's a roof piece there as well, and we've added more mulch. You can see all these little bits and bobs. Just add to it. And there's a little groove here, just where you can kind of line it up. And yeah, I love it. Just added one little tup. I think less is more. And yeah, I was considering adding like little bunks and stuff to the interior, but time constraints and whatnot. But yeah, I highly recommend this build. But that's all I've got for you today, so thanks again for watching. Oh, got a little Poppy squeaking at me. Here she is. Yes. Many people want to see you more than me, bloody hell. So there she is, the little squeaker in chief. My little assistant. Yes, you're very lazy, but you're cute. Good girl. But yeah, anyway, that's all I've got for you today, so thanks again for watching, and bye.